Alright guys, let's get some painting done here. You know how I do. We decided we're going to stick with the Beetle until it doesn't work no more. So we're going to get this bashified so we can roll and have no problems. These are pretty sturdy. I started cutting it out yesterday. You might have saw our short, and I really dig the way this is going. Plus, like Joe mentioned, that other body I had is probably not a Tamiya. I didn't really think about it was a J concept. So, but for what I'm doing, this is totally cool. Like I said, I like making bricks. So let's get some paint going. We're gonna start with this Spastics. We'll see how we go. Be right back. Oh, that's pretty purple. Coat one done. Time to let it dry. We'll be back in a minute.